Hello friends, today's topic, many stocks may plunge 90% in the next bear market. A report. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. Shankar Sharma is a market veteran and runs a wealth management firm. He started working as a stockbroker in Indian markets in the early 1980s. Yesterday, he made an announcement that he feels that the stock of certain companies could fall up to 90% in the next bear market. Some stocks will fall 90% in the next bear market, warned Shankar Sharma. This has come in the newspaper called Live Mint. As per his opinion, the single biggest threat to this bull market are greedy investment bankers and operators who convince foolish promoters to raise excess capital, thereby permanently overcapitalizing the company. He believes such stocks could fall up to 90% next bear market. Due to overall optimism in the market, many small companies which are not fundamentally strong have successfully launched their IPO in the last 1 year or so. Since most IPOs have been subscribed successfully, investment banks have been motivating all kinds of companies to list on stock markets. Many of these companies are raising capital which is not needed right now. Companies pay investment banks around 1 to 5% of the amount raised in the IPO. So they are just like brokers for the IPO and earn good commission. Shankar Sharma's prediction of the stock price of some of these companies falling significantly could come true since some companies may be fundamentally weak. Apart from such companies which launch IPOs when not needed, there could also be many overhyped companies which have appreciated a lot in the last 1 to 3 years, which may stagnate or give negative returns to investors. Many small companies come into limelight after they appreciate a huge percentage in a short period. More than the fundamentals, there could be a lot of positive sentiment and hype about the company in the market. Seeing the fantastic returns given by such stocks, many investors experience fear of missing out or FOMO of future appreciation. So such investors buy stocks of small companies which are already at high valuation hoping for further profits. Sometimes the stocks rise further and if investors are smart enough to book profit, they could have made some extra money. But sometimes these stocks start falling after a few days of retail investors buying and then some stocks never recover to those levels or take a long time to recover. In every market phase, there are some stocks which are hyped. A few years ago, graphite stocks were very popular. Later, the performance has been very ordinary. At least 5 years have given below average returns. Nowadays, some renewable energy stocks have become very popular. Retail investors are queuing up to purchase them. Similarly, many EV related stocks are popular right now. Not all stocks which are hyped will do well and hence blindly buying them just because they have rallied a lot, even if their fundamentals are not good, is not a wise approach. The current set of investors who entered the markets in the last 2 to 3 years have not experienced a major crash in the markets such as what was seen during Corona or sometimes earlier such as global financial crisis. During such huge falls, weak stocks usually fall heavily and if they are fundamentally weak, they may cause permanent loss of capital for investors. In fact, during major crashes, large cap stocks itself may fall between 20 to 30% and some smaller and weaker stocks could fall even 60 to 80%. Be aware of this and ensure that you don't have stocks in your portfolio which have been added due to hype and not because of fundamentals. It's better to be conservative than overconfident in the markets and make mistakes. End of the video, here is the question. Have you added any stocks due to hype while ignoring the fundamentals of the company? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.